Hello friends, our today topic is sciatica. Sciatica is a, a disease in which there is a compression of sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve compression occur at the lumbar spine. Lumbar spine, the compression may be occurred due to injury, due to a rupture or continued acute or chronic pressure on the back or after lifting heavy weight also it may get compressed. So sciatic, what is sciatica and what are the primary, secondary or the tertiary symptom? The primary symptom which most people ignore when sciatica occur is a numbness in right or the left leg. The numbness is mostly ignored by the people. They are ignoring it, and while it goes get worse day by day, it will goes into pain. Spondylitis will start if we are ignoring the pain and taking the painkiller. The spondylolysis will start. In the spondylolysis there is a rupture or breakdown of the spine will start. If we ignore it by taking painkiller in the long run, which is mostly provided by the allopathy physicians as a primary medicine, spondylolysis goes into the further drainment which will lead to many difficult complications like loss of uh, balance in both leg or loss of sensation in both leg. Person is unable to walk, unable to do urination, or unable to stop stool. The involuntary stool or urination is a symptom which get worse if we are ignoring this condition. Homeopathy is very advanced therapy. It is not only able to manage it but also manage to cure the disc bulge or the slip discs. The proper intervention of medicine in the proper time is very important. Most of the cases visit homeopath when they are too much late or they are coming after trying all the therapies. If that patient visit primarily to a homeopath, homeopathy can relieve few cases within minutes also. So today we are discussing the top medicine for the sciatica also. I am guiding to you these medicine only for reference purpose. I am never suggesting to take these medicine. For taking these medicine, always take a wise physician advice which is near to you, or you can take online treatment from many physicians are providing professional treatment online also, because homeopathy based on the symptom can take, we can take in the clinic, we can take in phone also. So now we are starting the sciatica medicines. So what are the sciatica medicine? There are sciatica medicine. Sciatica is a nerve compression. It may occur on the right side or it may occur on the left side or the simultaneously on the both side. But most of the time we saw it occur on the left side. So what are the top medicine for left sided sciatica? The top medicine for left sided sciatica is Rustox and the Colocin. In the Rustox there is a pain which get worse while you are sitting. The pain get worse by sitting is also in Kali iod. Uh, the Rustox and Kali iod both are having pain while sitting. While walking, Rustox is getting relief while Kali iod is not getting relief while walking. Rustox is always feeling better while it is walking. So the second medicine is Colocin. Colocin is a primary medicine for a radiating pain. Radiating pain is a lumbar radiculopathy. The pain starts from the lumbar spine, goes to the feet like a current strikes in the legs. So colocynth is a primary medicine to think about it. Now we are discussing about the right-sided medicine. If we are thinking about right-sided, if we are thinking about Ayurveda is considering people are suffering from gastric derangement, are more suffering from right-sided complaint. So the right-sided sciatica medicine, just like that, is lycopodium. Lycopodium is a main medicine for a person which is having gastric derangement. Due to gastric derangement, there is a the disc pressure in the back, because the abdomen backside spine is present there. If there is uric acid, lactic acid diathesis, person is having long term uric acid diathesis, it will lead to pain and inflammation in the back, which will lead to right sided pain mostly. Now the second remedy for right sided comes in our mind is a Gnephalum. Gnephalum is a primary medicine for numbness or loss of sensation in the legs. It is primarily for right sided leg, but we can use in left sided also. It is giving good result in left side also. What are the other remedies which are general remedies for the sciatica? Bryonia is a general remedies for sciatica. What is the primary symptom of bryonia? Primary symptom of bryonia is aggravation by motion. Any type of motion will aggravate the pain. So the first medicine come in our mind is a bryonia. Second medicine which comes in our mind, the in the generalized pain in the sciatica, is a arnica. Arnica pain is after injury or after or having a bruised like sensation. A sensation as if someone has beat your leg. So there is a pain which is a bruised pain. So after that there is a one more generalized medicine, that is hypericum. Hypericum patients are very sensitive on the nerves, especially after any operation. If someone is having a pain in the back, that pain is radiating, the hypericum is a primary remedy to think about. These are the common remedies for sciatica which we discussed today, and next time we will come with another topic. If you are having any suggestion or you want some type of special topic, you can write below in the comment section. Okay, bye, thanks a lot, good.